Good afternoon. I wanted to respond to the KRIS video that was released of Mr. Vasquez yesterday. I saw the internet's pretty much blowing up with it. Facebook is blowing up with it. I want you guys to know that we don't condone domestic violence in any way, shape, or form. Domestic violence is something that plagues our county. Domestic violence is something that's ugly, and that's what it looks like. And unfortunately and thankfully, most of us don't ever get to see that. But here at the DA's office, we see that every day. And what we're trying to stop from seeing is when someone gets murdered, when someone, there's a picture or a video of somebody's loved daughter or somebody's wife who was murdered because no one got the help and the treatment they needed initially. You know, some of the comments have been made that what kind of plea deal, what kind of lawyer did he have? What did he get special treatment because he was a hook? I want you guys to know that that was one of our office issues, was that it doesn't matter if you're a hook or you're a refinery worker or you're a teacher or anything. You're going to get the same deal, which is we want you to get help and education so that way the case doesn't escalate and you don't do worse things. And unfortunately, in this case, you know, the video gets released 2 years later. This case was dismissed a long time ago. And it got a lot of media attention because Mr. Vasquez was a hook. First off, the victim, Fabiana, she didn't want to go forward with the case. She didn't want to prosecute the case. She had her own counsel, Mr. Rodolfo Cortez, and they wanted PTD, which was the agreement they gave him, what we gave him. Also, she was located in Florida at the time of the arrest. She was located in Florida at the time we had court. There was no means legally that we could have brought her for a misdemeanor all the way from Florida unless she was cooperating, which she was not. We felt that some justice and some education would have been far better than none at all. I know that Mr. Vasquez probably wish that he could deal with his feelings and anger better. I wish these weren't decisions that we had to make, but our office is committed to trying new things and changing stuff. Putting people in jail, and that's not even what happened in prior administrations. Cases just got dismissed. No one ever went to jail. But putting people in jail hadn't worked, so we're trying something different. We're trying out there and we're trying to combat domestic violence. And we're going to do whatever we can to try, and we stay committed to that. The video looks bad, and that's how every domestic violence case looks. And it's unfortunate and it's sad, and I wish we didn't have this issue. But we're going to do what we need to do to try to fix the problem. Disgusting behavior is what we see on a daily basis, and we have to make those hard decisions. And sometimes the community may question them. But I promise you, it wasn't done because he was a hook. It wasn't done because he had some kind of special treatment. It was done because we want him to get help and never hurt somebody. If he accomplished that over this time and he learned from his mistakes and he never hurts Fabiana or any other woman that he cares about, I'll take the heat for it. I'll take the heat for the videos. I'll take the heat from the media. I'll take the heat from KRIS, from whoever. We're trying to fix the situation, and that's all I can do. I'm sorry that y'all got to see that, and it's something we see every single day, but we're trying to fix it, and we stay committed to that. So hope y'all are having a good spring break. Be safe out there. We stand by our decision. It wasn't done lightly, and we'll continue to combat and try to fight, this epidemic, this thing that we have to deal with. Just wanted to respond and let you guys know why we did what we did. Thank you.